Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering the precise materials and making your first cuts. Use 160-200 GSM cardstock or a thin balsa sheet so the dart is stiff but light. Lay out a center line and mark the nose point. Once done, cut 2 identical wing halves and a small tail vein. Make shallow score lines where folds will be. This lets you bend sharply without tearing. Make sure to keep edges smooth for predictable airflow, because small edge roughness changes stability. You now bond the core and set the aerodynamic shape. Apply a thin bead of glue along the center spine and align the 2 wing halves so the centerline matches. Clamp or tape until cured. Once set, check symmetry carefully and sand the leading edges slightly rounded for smoother lift. If the dart drops quickly, add about a 1/4 of weight at the nose. That shifts the center of gravity forward and prevents tumble. Make sure the dihedral is small, 3 to 6 degrees, for stable flight. You finish by trimming and tuning with reel launches. From a safe rooftop position, perform short launches at a 10 to 20 degree downward angle and watch the flight path closely. If it nosedives, bend the tiny tail elevator up by 1 to 3 millimeters. If it stalls, remove a bit of nose weight. Once tuned, add small tip tapes to stop, flutter, and inspect for cracks after each session. Troubleshooting tip: if it starts oscillating, add small tip weight or increase dihedral slightly to restore damping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.